lover of nature, so we all hurry to discover the nature of forest, animals, birds, etc. Naturally, Saudi Arabia is the country of desert with the sea border and some hill area also. Therefore, it is quite hard to see the bird. For this reason, we flock to the bird market in Dammam Sieko area to enjoy the different types of birds. Here we can see variety type of birds, both little and large, along with some animals such as cat, rabbit, dog, and even snake also. We can enjoy the movement and screaming of the bird to release our mental stress. Since I am unfamiliar with the several bird categories, I would appreciate your feedback regarding the bird names.